Hello everyone, Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through how to use the portfolio within Brailie for WordPress. So as you can see with the demo content, we've got a few different examples of the portfolio. Overall it is a very simple affair, although it is quite powerful. Just in case you needed anything going over, we're just going to go over how to actually build each portfolio item and the options available to you. So to begin with, we'll go to New and Portfolio. And I'll just call this Dan's project. Just at the top here I'll pop in some random blurb, and importantly we're going to give the item a nice featured image. Now this image will be what's used to display your project throughout your site, so do choose something nice. That one looks pretty good to me. Now before we go any further, I'm just going to publish this and we can see what to expect. Okay, so as you can see with the project in its current state, we've simply got the text we've added, and that's it. That featured image that we've added before, now that's something that's simply shown in the portfolio feeds. So wherever you've got your projects being shown, let me just have a look here, just portfolio. There you go, you can see we've got our project there. So that image is quite important because it's what's going to represent your project throughout the rest of the site. Okay, back into the project. What we can see, we've got a regular area here for adding whatever content you wish. So if you wanted to have a large video, like in this example here, we can simply pop a video URL in, just like you would for any normal post, and that would be displayed below. However, what you'll also notice is we've got some featured content here. Now this basically is how you get the different layouts for regular projects. If that doesn't make sense, then we're going to go through this one by one anyway. So we'll start by adding a couple of images. They're pretty nice. And we're just going to leave it at the default option, which is the basic image list. So let's update the project. And refresh. Now we can see with the basic image list, those images we've added have just become listed below the project and look absolutely great. If we change it up and go for the carousel, you'll see the featured images we've added now become a nice neat carousel. Obviously you'd want to add more than two in this occasion, but for this example you can see exactly what I mean. Next up, if we want it to have a slider, we can change the content type to slider, and as you'd expect, those images are displayed in a really nice little slider. Now I would suggest to try and upload the same size of images just for the best look. However, this will accommodate any size of image, just obviously expect the slider to change size to reflect that. Next up, we've got the masonry gallery. So again, if we wanted to show them in a nice grid below, we can do so, which features a nice light box as well. We've got the justified gallery, which is a similar kind of thing. I think I refreshed a bit too soon there. There you go, but you can see the images are displayed larger and will allow for different sizes of images. We've got the comparison slider, which is quite a neat one. So this will take the two images you show and allow them to be compared like this. Really neat. And then finally we've got the proofing gallery, which is great if you're creating a site to show off your images to clients and you want them to have a closer look and select which ones they like, etc. Now the one thing to mention, this isn't just how you can create projects. If we take a look at the demo again, as the theme uses the wonderful WP Bakery page builder plugin, you can also use this to create your projects as well. So you don't need to use any of the featured content area, you can simply add whatever you wish. Now, to activate the page builder so you can use it here, because as you notice there's no option, what we need to do is go to settings within the page builder plugin here, and under role manager, rather than having pages only, which is the default state, we can select custom and allow the page builder to be used on portfolio items like you see here. So once I hit save and reload, you'll see we now have the page builder available to us. So we can remove all of this, hit backend editor, and simply start adding content as we wish to give you complete control. And that's it. If you do have any problems, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.